Hello, it's me again, and this is the still the today's date of January 7, 2023. Right now it's about 12:13 right now in the early in the afternoon. Weather out there is about 42, 43 degrees, and it's still working. See this other truck over there? Think they're making it like flatter land or something. See these guys over there? That's why I'm videotaping it for evidence. To let them know. They're still doing it. Let's hope they won't be chopping any more trees. They got rid of some rocks and rubbles and such. I wish they just go away. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this short video for today's construction. I'll see you much later for more if I give you some updates. Right now, I gotta go out with my family members somewhere. Comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like any of the other videos of the today's construction and other days' construction in the past. Later, folks. Commented then. Bye.